In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically convert leads to contacts and deals in Zoho CRM. This process will streamline your workflow, ensuring that your leads are efficiently managed and followed up on, which can significantly boost your productivity and efficiency within the Zoho CRM platform. To begin, you'll want to open up your Zoho CRM account. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the settings. Once you're there, look for the Setup option and click on it. This will open up a variety of choices, each designed to help you customize and optimize your CRM experience. Among these options, find Workflow Rules. This is a crucial feature that allows you to automate various processes within Zoho CRM. Click on Workflow Rules, and once you're on the workflow page, look for the Create Rule button and click on it. This is where you'll start setting up the actual automation. Now choose the module you want to work with, which in this case would typically be Leads. Selecting the right module is important because it determines where this automation will be applied. Once you've selected the module, it's time to give your new workflow rule a name. Make sure you choose a name that clearly represents the process you're automating for easy reference later. Additionally, there's a space to add a description. Filling in the description can help you remember the specifics of what the workflow rule is meant to accomplish, which is particularly useful if you have multiple rules or if you're collaborating with the team. After inputting these details, go ahead and click on Next. Here, you'll specify when you want the workflow rule to be executed. You have the option to run this rule based on a record action, such as when a lead is edited. This setting helps to keep your leads updated and synchronized without manual intervention. Now, it's time to set up conditions under which your workflow should execute. Click on When, and then on Condition 1. This is where you define the criteria or conditions that must be met for the rule to trigger. You can apply this rule to all leads or specify certain leads if needed. Once you've made your selection, click on Done. The next step is crucial for the automation process to function correctly. Associating a function with this workflow. Click on Function and then on Write Your Own. You'll be prompted to input a function name and display name. Choose something intuitive that aligns with the task this function will perform, and then click on Create. Finally, save your rule by clicking on Save. If you've followed all the steps accurately, you should now have a workflow rule that automatically converts leads to contacts and deals. Don't forget to click on Associate if needed. This links the function to the workflow rule you've just created, ensuring everything runs smoothly. That wraps up our guide. By following these steps, you can automate the process of converting leads to contacts and deals within Zoho CRM, saving you time and preventing potential errors from manual input. Enjoy the enhanced efficiency this brings to your operations.